Today I'm taking the WORKPRO 1/4" drive 72 tooth swivel head ratchet. Okay, so there is the ratchet. Got a nice rubber handle on here. I always like seeing that, so if you gotta get a lot of leverage on that, you don't have to worry about hurting your hands. It does say WORKPRO on the handle as well as on the head, and we can see that can swivel almost 360 degrees. On the back we got a push button, and that is going to drop that detent so we can remove our sockets. I always like seeing that because in the event that we have both of our hands full, so if we're like holding something with one hand and we got the other hand on the socket, we can just press that button, drop the socket off, push another socket on, and get back to work. So I will say this is a fairly tough feeling ratcheting mechanism. There is quite a lot of back drag on it, especially for a 1/4" drive. This is reversible, so that is just going to use this wheel on the back, and then we can rotate in the other direction. Now the nice thing about a swivel head ratchet like this is that quite oftentimes I'm using a flex head ratchet, so I was going to pivot right around here. If you need more room than that, or if you just want to use this as a driver, this is going to be a better option. Each ratchet really has its own purpose. This is going to be an excellent choice for very tight areas. Now I would never use a 1/4" drive on a 24mm bolt to torque that down, but we got some free floating bolts here that are just for adjustments, and having the ability to get that up in there can make a gigantic difference. And just plus having that smaller ratchet on there means that you can work a lot faster. Cool. So yeah, for very odd cases, this is a very handy ratchet to have around.